which companies have announced AI-related layoffs in 2026, which 13 companies, including Cloudflare and Coinbase, have announced AI-related layoffs. The wave of AI disruption is hitting big tech now, and you need to know who's cutting jobs and why it matters to you today. In 2026, a growing list of 13 companies has announced layoffs directly linked to AI adoption and restructuring. Notably, Cloudflare and Coinbase, two major players in cloud security and crypto exchange, respectively, have publicly stated they are reducing staff to focus on AI-driven efficiencies. This trend reflects a broader shift where AI is reshaping workforce needs, forcing companies to downsize traditional roles while investing in automation and machine learning capabilities. The sectors most impacted by AI-related layoffs include technology services, cryptocurrency platforms, and cloud infrastructure providers. Cloudflare, known for its internet security services, and Coinbase, a leading crypto exchange, show that even innovative tech companies are not immune. These layoffs often target roles that AI and automation can replace or optimize, such as manual data processing, certain engineering tasks, and customer support positions. The surge in AI capabilities in 2026 is forcing companies to rethink how they allocate human resources. AI tools enable faster, cheaper processing of tasks that previously required teams of employees. As a result, companies like Cloudflare and Coinbase are trimming staff to align with new AI-powered workflows. This is not simply about cost-cutting, but about adapting to a future where AI is integral to operations, creating a more streamlined but smaller workforce. For employees affected by AI-related layoffs, the future may feel uncertain. However, this shift also opens new opportunities in AI development, management, and oversight roles. Upskilling in AI-related fields could be crucial. Companies will likely continue to pursue AI integration, meaning workers need to adapt quickly or risk displacement. The next few years will be critical for workforce transformation across tech sectors. If you work in tech or related fields, these AI-related layoffs are a warning sign. The rise of AI means certain jobs may disappear or change drastically. Staying informed, developing AI-relevant skills, and understanding industry trends will be key to staying competitive. For consumers, this shift may mean faster, smarter services, but also a changing economic landscape. Keep watching how AI disrupts industries. It's coming for more than just tech giants. AI-related layoffs at 13 major companies like Cloudflare and Coinbase show the urgent reality of workforce change in 2026. If you want to future-proof your career or understand how AI reshapes industries, now is the time to pay attention. Subscribe for updates on how these tech shifts affect your job and everyday life.